Arnav finds a cake inside his car and knows instantly that Lavanya put it there. Miss Kashyap arrives in a red rally car as if Arnav called her just by saying her name. Red car, red heels, red belt paired with a white and blue dress. Red symbolizes both power and passion. This is a woman who knows what she wants and goes for it. She is the embodiment of a modern woman, a fashionista who wants to celebrate a 5-month anniversary with her boyfriend. Her casual touches to his face, his shoulders, and the way she stands with him speak of an intimacy between them. His tolerance of her interruption in work Mattis shows us how much he likes her. Lust, he understands. Power, he understands. Money, he definitely understands. But love is word he only associates with his immediate family. Affection is something he only associates with his sister. The first time Kushi enters the AR group office, she does so with her right foot forward. Kushi is confronted by short skirts, high heels and exposed skin everywhere she looks. We can understand that Kushi is uncomfortable with the dress style given her upbringing, but it's always disappointed that the hemlines and necklines are equated with your morals and ethics. The next thing Kushi notices after the shortcuts is the sheer opulence of the office. Everything is bright and shiny, and wealth and power is evident. While Kushi is trying to get inside to see Lavanya, Arnav strides into the office, completely ignoring the two people at the front desk to bark orders at him. Kushi doesn't see him properly, but she thinks the voice sounds familiar and she doesn't recognize what ASR stands for. Sim and Pam make fun of Kushi from the moment she walks through the doors. Everything about Kushi, from her hairstyle to her shoes, from the sparkling work on her kameez to the pom-poms. They insult her in any way they can, calling her Delhi Metro, and they coin her nickname Chamkeli. Chamkeli is dismissed by Lavanya the moment she lays eyes on her. So it's only natural that when she feels threatened by her new assistant Sonia, Lavanya decides to hide the non-threatening Behenji type girl sitting at reception. Kushi agrees to work as Lavanya's assistant. She didn't have much of a choice, and Sim and Pam take every opportunity to berate everything about her from her head to her shoes. Kushi wonders if she made the right choice, and a flashback to her hastily given promise to pay back the Lord Governor reminds her of what's at stake. She finds the strength to go on. Kushi says she wants to make a phone call, and the scene cuts to show Arnav on the phone. Kushi, who has only referred to herself as Kushi Kumari so far, now tells Sim and Pam her full name, Kushi Kumari Gupta. Kushi happily makes a place for herself in the AR offices, placing her Devi Maya on her desk. Nani is still conducting her little investigation into who Kashyap is. The red flowers that were delivered to Shantivan came with a card that said, "For my love." Anjali calls Arnav to tell him what has happened and he is immediately worried. Kushi answers the ringing phone in Lavanya's office only to be confronted by an angry voice asking why it took so long to pick up the phone. Kushi takes her Devi Maya name for strength and Arnav says what is hilarious. Kushi tells the stranger on the phone that he should speak with respect and Arnav is speechless. Arnav's probably never been spoken to like this in a professional setting. Kushi takes advantage of his silence to tell him in a conspirational tone that his voice sounds very familiar. Arnav storms down to confront Lavanya about the flowers she sent to Shantivan and she hastily replies that she didn't send them. She has a list of his likes and dislikes and she would never do anything that he doesn't like. But Arnav is distracted. He notices the statue of Devi Maya on Kushi's desk. He is drawn to it, completely ignoring Lavanya as he takes a few steps towards it. She desperately tries to convince him that she didn't send the flowers. And Lavanya replies to ASR that is just my assistant's things. He looks at the statue again. A new assistant? Could it be?